Suzuki Sidekick. It's a beast, but we're not working on that today.
Okay,
we're not working on that lawnmower either.
Hey.
Today, we're working on our new Weed Eater bike design.
We're all here at Jack's, right?
Version 2, last one.
Version 2, we made another one, but
we're all at Jack's. And we're drinking beer.
Trevor's Nana threw it out. Okay.
Guess what? We're all drinking.
And
we're drinking beer. Root beer, that is.
And we got our first bar welded on there. I gap welded that myself.
Yeah, that's a lie.
And then
Bullshit!
Trevor and Josh are gonna finish the top up here. As you can see, there's no weld on there. So Trevor's gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, ready, Trevor? Go ahead and do that.
Dog, look away. Over there, doggy, over there. I'm gonna block the view for the dog.
It's on fire. The reason it's taking him so long is that's a fairly big gap. That's like 0.5 centimeter of a gap, so.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.